Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Resident Evil Requiem gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that click on the Windows icon, now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Now after restarting, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. But if the issue continues still, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Before that, you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC once and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and device and here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon and after that click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. Now click on add a device. After that, click on everything else. Here you have to add your controller. After adding your controller, now check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here if you click on check for updates, wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to check for game updates. So make sure your game is updated to the latest version. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. You will easily find the update option available over here. Update your game and then check. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or you can also go through the link that I have already given in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, click on the download option and after that go below. From here you have to download DS4 Windows tool. After downloading, install it. Once you install it, connect your controller and update it. After that, launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, then you can also try to enter big picture mode. So go to Steam, select your game, under library section. Here you can see big picture mode, click on it. Now after that, here you have to select the game application, whatever game you want, and after that click on play button and then check whether it's working or not. If it's working, well and good, click on Steam option. Now click on power and then click on exit big picture mode. After that launch the game and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So these methods will surely help to fix Resident Evil Requiem gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.